Hello, my name is Nandhini Afrillia Permana Putri and I am from Dian, Nusantara University. I will introduction to taxation. Table of contents. First, definition of taxation. Second, the purpose of taxation. Third, the types of tax. Definition of taxation. Taxation. Taxation is the process by which a government imposes, charges or individual entities or transactions to fund public expenditures and service. These charges, called tax, are levied on various forms of income, wealth, goods, service, or activities. The primary purpose of taxation is to generate revenue to support government functions such as public infrastructure, education, healthcare, defense, and social welfare programs. The purpose of taxation. Why do we need to pay tax? The thought why should I pay income tax might have crossed your mind at least a few times, especially while going through your salary slip or filing tax returns. As tax can eat up a considerable portion of your salary, it is proven for many people to believe that tax are nothing but a burden. Paying tax is a fundamental civic responsibility and a crucial component of a functioning society. There are three reasons why individuals and business are required to pay tax. First, funding public service. Taxes are the primary source of revenue for governments, enabling them to finance essential public service and infrastructure. This includes education, healthcare, public safety, defense, transportation, and social welfare programs. Tax contribute to building and maintaining the necessary institutions and facilities that benefit the entire society. Second, national defense. Taxes are crucial for building national defense and ensuring the security of the country. This includes maintaining armed force, intelligence agency, and other security measures to protect citizens from external threats. Third, maintaining law and order. Tax revenue support law enforcement against the judiciary and the legal system. This ensures the maintenance of law and order, protection of citizens, and the enforcement of contract and property rights. Characteristic of the taxation system. Progressive. Progressive taxation is a tax system in which the rate of taxation increases as the taxable amount or income increase. In other words, individuals or entities with higher incomes pay a higher percentage of their income in tax compared to those with lower incomes. Proportional taxation, also known as a flat tax, is the tax system in which the same percentage of income is levied on all individuals or entities regardless of their income level. Regressive. Regressive taxation is a tax system where the tax burden falls disproportionately on lower income individuals or entities. Taxable income. Taxable income is the portion of an individual's or entity income that is subject to taxation by government. It is the income remaining after various deduction and exemption have been applied to the total income. Taxable income serves as the basis for calculating the actual tax liability owed to the government. Taxation principles are fundamental guidelines and concepts that form the basis for designing and implementing tax system. These principles help ensure that taxation is fair, efficient, and effective. While different countries may have variation in their tax system, several key taxation principles are widely recognized. Different types of tax. Income tax. Income tax is a tax composed by the governments on the income earned by individual, business, and other entities within their jurisdiction. Corporate tax. Corporate tax is tax imposed on the profit earned by business, corporation, and other legal entities. Sales tax. Sales tax is a consumption tax imposed by governments on the sale of goods and services. Property tax. Property tax is tax imposed by local government on the value of real estate properties owned by individual, business, or other entities. Excise tax. Excise tax is type of indirect tax imposed on specific goods or activities, often at the production, sale, or consumption stage. Most common use of tax: 25% in public salaries, 50% in infrastructure, 25% in social programs. The taxpayer that's someone who works for the federal government but doesn't have to take a civil service examination by Ronald Reagan. Thank you. That's all from me.